Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Coconut Burfi. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this we need 1 liter milk, 600 grams sugar, 800 grams desiccated coconut, 2 teaspoon cardamom powder and sliced almonds and pistachios for garnishing. Now for the recipe, in a pan add milk and sugar. Boil this until it has reached 3/4 of its quantity. Once the milk is reduced, add any flavor you want. I am adding cardamom powder. You can add rose water or mango pulp or pineapple pulp and add desiccated coconut. Now reduce the flame to low and mix everything together. Cook until it's tight. Once it's tight, turn off the flame. Next, place a butter paper on a mold. If you don't have a butter paper and a mold, then use a steel plate and apply desi ghee to it. Next, with the help of a spoon or spatula, spread it all along the mold. Add another butter paper on top and with the help of a flat surface, press the mixture so that it becomes tight. Make sure to cover the edges with the help of fingers and thumb. Next, bring this to a room temperature and then keep it in the fridge for 1 to 1.5 hours so that it sets and easy to cut. Next, transfer it to a chopping board and cut into 1.5 inch square pieces. Make sure to clean the knife after every cut to get clean cuts. On top of it, add sliced almonds and pistachios. Your coconut burfi is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, place the coconut burfis on one side of the plate. Add some nuts around the plate. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. You can also do the same thing at the center of the plate. For plate 2, make a line of crushed nuts on one side of the plate. Make another perpendicular line also on the side of the plate. Place the burfi pieces in the remaining area of the plate. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, make a line of crushed nuts on one side of the plate. Place burfi pieces there. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.